Welcome to the ASVAB Test Prep video lesson series. In this video, we'll be covering 10 practice questions of automotive information to help you prepare for the ASVAB test. Question 1. One of the functions of piston rings is to A. Guide a piston in the cylinder. B. Connect the piston to the connecting rod. C. Maintain the cylindrical shape of a piston. D. Seal the combustion chamber at the piston. The answer is D. Piston rings seal the combustion chamber tightly against the cylinder wall, preventing gases from escaping during combustion. They also help regulate oil, reduce friction, and transfer heat from the piston to the cylinder, ensuring efficient engine performance. Question 2. Fuel-injected vehicles will generally have A. A mechanical bellows-type fuel pump. B. A mechanical impeller-type fuel pump. C. An electric fuel pump mounted on the engine. D. An electric fuel pump mounted in the fuel tank. The answer is D. Fuel-injected vehicles generally use an electric pump inside the fuel tank. This location keeps the pump cool, maintains proper pressure, and ensures steady delivery of fuel to the injectors. Older engines with carburetors relied on mechanical pumps, which cannot provide the high pressure required. Question 3. Which component retains oil for engine lubrication? A. Oil pan. B. Oil pump. C. Oil dipstick. D. Oil level sensor. The answer is A. The oil pan stores engine oil at the base of the engine, acting as a reservoir. The oil pump draws from this pan, circulating lubrication to moving parts. Without the oil pan, the engine would lack a steady supply of lubrication and quickly overheat. Question 4. The function of brake fluid in an automobile is to A. Activate the brakes. B. Lubricate the brakes. C. Cool the brake pads. D. Lubricate the brake pedal. The answer is A. Brake fluid is a hydraulic medium that transmits force from the driver's foot on the pedal to the brakes at the wheels. When pressure is applied, the fluid pushes pistons and calipers or wheel cylinders, activating the brakes. It does not lubricate or cool. Question 5. What has replaced carburation on all passenger cars and light trucks? A. Fuel pump. B. Fuel lines. C. Fuel filter. D. Fuel injection. The answer is D. Fuel injection replaced carburetors in modern cars and trucks because it delivers fuel with greater precision. Electronic injectors spray fuel directly into the intake or cylinders, improving fuel efficiency, reducing emissions, and boosting performance. Carburetors lacked this accuracy and adaptability to different driving conditions. Question 6. When the clutch is engaged on a manual transmission, the clutch pedal will be A. Down. B. Up. C. Halfway down. D. Halfway up. The answer is B. When the clutch is engaged in a manual transmission, the pedal is up. This means the clutch plates are pressed together, transmitting engine power directly to the transmission and wheels. Pressing the pedal disengages the clutch, interrupting the power flow. Question 7. If the universal joints are broken and the car is standing still, the car will A. Not move when the engine is revved up. B. Increase in speed. C. Work as usual. D. Become impossible to push. The answer is A. Universal joints transfer power from the transmission to the drive shaft and wheels. If they break, the connection is lost. The engine may run normally and rev, but the wheels will not turn, preventing the car from moving under its own power. Question 8. When a spark plug fires, it is part of the A. Power stroke, B. Exhaust stroke, C. Intake stroke, D. Compression stroke. The answer is A. The spark plug fires during the power stroke, igniting the compressed air-fuel mixture. This combustion creates a rapid expansion of gases, forcing the piston downward with power that drives the crankshaft, ultimately providing energy to move the vehicle. Question 9. Most automobile engines are A. 2-stroke cycle engines, B. 3-stroke cycle engines, C. 4-stroke cycle engines, D. 6-stroke cycle engines. The answer is C. Most automobile engines operate on a 4-stroke cycle: intake, compression, power, and exhaust. This design balances efficiency and durability, making it the standard for passenger cars. Other cycles, like 2-stroke or 6-stroke, are used in specialized applications but are not common in cars. Question 10. There are 4 types of fuel injection used in cars today. They are throttle body injection, multi-port injection, direct injection, and A. Manual continuous electronic flow injection, B. Sequential fuel injection, C. Automatic circuitous injection, D. Manual intermittent injection. The answer is B. Sequential fuel injection delivers fuel to each cylinder one at a time in sync with its intake stroke. This precise timing improves combustion efficiency, throttle response, and reduces emissions. Compared to batch injection, it ensures smoother engine operation and better fuel economy. Download the ASVAB Prep app for practice anytime and anywhere. Want personal help? Request a one-on-one tutor today. To get a qualified experienced tutor, visit our website.